Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best fabric dressers that are available on the market for their true quality.
Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started.
Starting at number 5, we have the Yitahome 7-drawer fabric dresser. The Yitahome fabric dresser with 7 drawers is the epitome of functionality and spacious storage. Combining a sturdy steel frame with easy-to-pull fabric bins, this storage tower boasts a robust build that can withstand day-to-day usage while offering an effortless assembly process. Its 7 drawers come in handy when you're looking to categorize your belongings for easy access, making it an excellent choice for your living room. Not only does this fabric dresser offer a high-capacity storage solution, but it also enhances the look of your space with its sleek black-gray color scheme and polished wooden top. This fabric dresser easily takes on the work of storage and organization. In contrast, its fabric bins can comfortably accommodate various items, from clothes and accessories to knickknacks and other everyday items. With its durable construction and easy setup, all these features make it our top overall pick. Moving on at number 4, we have the Wlive 9-drawer fabric dresser. The Wlive 9-drawer fabric dresser is an excellent choice when it comes to striking the right balance between ample storage and organization. This fabric dresser is more than just a functional piece. It effortlessly transforms clutter into order. It proudly houses 9 spacious fabric bins, providing abundant room for your clothing, linens, or other personal items. Whatever you decide to stow away in this dresser, it accommodates gracefully, helping you maintain a tidy and well-organized space. One of the top features of this fabric dresser is its ease of assembly. This fabric dresser comes with an easy pull handle, and its steel frame and wood top assemble smoothly without any hassle. Its dark gray color also adds a touch of sophistication to any bedroom, hallway, entryway, or closet. It does not merely store, it enhances your living space, acting as a stylish and practical addition to your home decor. At number 3, we have the Sweetcrispy 5-drawer fabric dresser. The Sweetcrispy 5-drawers dresser transforms your bedroom or kids' room, providing an affordable and convenient storage solution for small spaces. This fabric dresser effortlessly combines functionality and style, with its sleek wood top and sturdy steel frame. With 5 generous drawers, it easily accommodates clothes, toys, and other essentials, keeping your space tidy and organized. The lightweight design allows easy relocation, perfectly suiting your ever-evolving home decor needs. What makes this fabric dresser stand out is the easy assembly process. The necessary tools come included, enabling you to put it together without a hassle. The fabric bins slide smoothly in and out, making retrieving and storing items a breeze. The dresser can withstand daily use thanks to its robust steel frame. In addition, the wooden top adds a touch of elegance, enhancing the aesthetic of any room. This dresser not only optimizes your storage options but also adds a stylish element to your space. At number 2, we have the Somdot Tall 4-drawer fabric dresser. The Somdot Tall 4-drawer fabric dresser for bedroom is a top choice for anyone seeking a sturdy, easy-to-assemble storage solution. Adorned with 4 spacious drawers and removable fabric bins, it caters to diverse storage needs, whether you're organizing your living room, closet, nursery, or hallway. The unique blend of design and functionality transforms it into more than just a storage unit. It becomes a tasteful addition to any room. This fabric dresser, boasting an ash-gray finish, offers an effortless assembly process. The components fit together seamlessly, making it a perfect choice for those who prefer self-assembly. The robust construction ensures it withstands the test of time, while still maintaining a lightweight design for easy relocation. The removable fabric bins add an extra convenience layer, allowing easy cleaning and organization. And finally at number 1, we have the Yitahome 12-drawer fabric dresser. The Yitahome 12-drawer fabric dresser, boasting 12 spacious drawers, redefines the storage game in any room. It stands tall and tastefully, offering the perfect blend of function and aesthetics with its wooden top and sturdy metal frame. If you've been piling up clothes in your closets or have clutter in your living room, this dresser serves as an elegant solution. It features deep drawers, allowing you to store a mountain of items from bedroom essentials to living room knickknacks. Moreover, the dresser champions the cause of easy assembly. Forget about spending hours figuring out complicated manuals. This product arrives ready for quick setup, letting you assemble it smoothly and without any hassle. It's more than just a fabric dresser. It's a statement piece that enhances the style and functionality of your space. Standing at an impressive 52.2 h, with a width and depth of 34.8 w and 11.9 d, respectively, this gray dresser fits seamlessly into any room without overwhelming the space.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.